Now we are discussing about chemical business ideas. Chemical business ideas. In that, today we are discussing about battery manufacturing. Battery manufacturing. Generally, there are two types of batteries: storage and primary batteries. Storage batteries are also known as secondary or rechargeable batteries. Primary batteries are non-rechargeable batteries that only have one life. Battery manufacturing is considered one of the most profitable chemical business ideas that can be initiated as the home based or based also. So battery making manufacturing is also a skillful art, and you should learn practically also. You should basically you can observe through how to manufacture batteries in YouTube videos also. By that you will get a theoretical idea, and you will get the documented idea by Google projects also in battery manufacturing. After that, you should have a good idea and experience also. At least a couple of months, if you work under some senior person regarding battery manufacturing, you will get a clear cut all ideas. Then you will be successful in this business. Not only that, once if you are having good experience, then you can start your independent battery manufacturing unit. Before that also you should have a project report. In that project report, where the battery raw materials will be available, and what sort of skilled labor is required, and for your location to going here and there, transportation is available or not, water facilities are not there or not. All these things you should think over, and what sort of machinery you should keep, and that machinery will be available where and when to get it. All these things, if you have a project report, MS Word document, project is there, then you will be successful in this business. Once starting, you need not do any research. Before starting itself, you should have the complete research regarding your battery manufacturing unit. Then only it will be successful, and it is wishful to you, and you will get very good success in this. Wishing you all the best.